2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners BMW G310R. In the landscape of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 BMW G310R emerges as a dynamic and versatile option, offering novice riders a combination of agility, innovation, and the renowned BMW Motorrad engineering excellence. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the G310R seamlessly blends BMW's iconic design philosophy with a commitment to creating an accessible and thrilling riding experience. In 2024, the G310R continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling. 1. Distinctive Roadster Design. The BMW G310R features a distinctive roadster design, setting it apart as a visually striking and contemporary option for beginner riders. With its compact proportions, signature asymmetrical headlights, and dynamic lines, the G310R exudes a sense of modernity and innovation. BMW's commitment to a design that reflects the brand's roadster heritage ensures that the G310R not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the brand's dedication to dynamic and engaging motorcycles. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for urban adventures. At the heart of the G310R lies an efficient 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and urban-friendly performance. BMW Motorrad's engine design focuses on providing a responsive and smooth power delivery, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating city streets and exploring diverse environments. The G310R's engine offers sufficient power for daily commuting, weekend rides, and the excitement of mastering the basics, providing a versatile platform for riders to embark on their motorcycling journey. 3. Nimble handling and lightweight chassis. Designed for nimble handling, the BMW G310R features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its agile and responsive characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, master low-speed maneuvers, and experience the thrill of a dynamic roadster. The G310R's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the joy of responsive and precise riding. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the G310R features rider-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle offers a neutral and upright riding position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a comfortable seat, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. BMW Motorrad's commitment to rider comfort makes the G310R not only a dynamic option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend escapes, and exploring diverse terrains with roadster flair. 5. Integration of innovative features. The 2024 G310R seamlessly integrates innovative features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a full-color TFT display, advanced braking systems, and BMW Motorrad's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the dynamic package. BMW ensures that the G310R remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of contemporary design with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW G310R stands as a global icon of entry-level roadster brilliance, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its distinctive roadster design, efficient single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of innovative features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a taste for dynamic and innovative design. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with agility, or exploring the diverse landscapes, the G310R encapsulates the spirit of BMW Motorrad's dedication